Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I'm so excited for today's episode. I'm going to be doing a food review on a local Seattle company called Fatima's. Now this is a soup company and they sent me 3 different types of soups to try out. The first one is a garlic, tomato, and herb orzo soup, a spice red lentil soup, and a spicy tomato and chickpea orzo soup. So all the instructions are in the back. All the ingredients are in this container and all you have to do is add water. And you even have an option of adding some extra protein. So you've got lamb, beef, chicken, whatever you desire, you can add it to the soup. So I'm excited to try this out. Even though they sent this to me, I am going to give you my full and honest review. I'm sure it's going to be great because I've already been hearing so much good things about this company. So I'm very, very excited. And I'll put all of the information on this company in the description box below. So if you want to check them out, you can. But I'm going to be making a spicy tomato chickpea orzo soup today to try out to show you guys. And yeah, so let's get into it. If you guys love food reviews, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So we're gonna jump right into this review by making the actual product. So we are making the spicy tomato and chickpea orzo soup from Fatima's. I am showing you guys all of the ingredients that come in the container, and even the oil is in the container. So you really just need a pot and some water. So the first thing I'm gonna do is heat up the oil. Once it's hot, I went ahead and added the onion pieces. This is just dried onion, but do be careful. This does fry up really fast. As you can see, I got distracted, kind of burnt my onion pieces, but that's okay. So I decided to add some lamb pieces to mine just for added protein. But honestly, after tasting this, it really didn't need it. You could really taste all the flavor from the spice mix on its own. Now I'm just adding some tomato paste and the entire package of the spice mix. Now it does say on their Instagram that depending on how spicy you like it, you can either add the entire package or just a little bit. But you guys know I love my stuff spicy, so I decided to add the entire package. And then I also added the chickpeas. So I'm just gonna mix this all very, very well. You can already see the beautiful color that is coming out of this dish. Honestly, just from the tomato paste and the spice mix. So I was just blown away by the beautiful color that developed out of this dish. So now I'm just gonna add some water. I think it's about 3 cups of water, but all of the directions are on the container, really easy to follow, really precise and clear, so it really does come together very fast. So I just kind of mix this all around, put a cover on it, and I think you cook this for about 15 minutes. So I'm looking at the container right now, and yes, that's correct. So 15 minutes later, I am adding in the orzo. So once you add in the orzo, you cook it for another 10 minutes. So after the 10 minutes is up, give it a good mix, and then really you're done. You just have to add the last package, which is a herb mix, and mix it all around, and pretty much it. On their Instagram, they do have a little picture of a spice meter and which of the soups fall in which category. And this is the spicier of the 3 soups that they offer. So I definitely wanted to try this one out first. Guys, this took probably like 25 minutes, most of which was boiling and letting it sit on its own. So you don't really have to do much. Honestly, most of the work is done for you. You just have to add ingredients and let it do its thing. The only thing I think that's missing from Fatima's soup is some nutrition facts. You guys know I'm all about the macros. I love reading all the nutrition facts just to make sure what I'm eating is truly good for me. So I would have appreciated that. But again, this is just the beta launch of Fatima. So hopefully with the next iterations, we will be seeing some nutrition facts. So next up is a taste test of the spicy tomato and chickpea orzo soup. All right, guys, the soup is done, and oh my goodness, my house smells amazing. This looks delicious. That color, I'm telling you guys, it's wow. All right, so They did say on the container that you should dip some crusty bread in it and a little bit of lemon. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze a little lemon in this. And I'm just gonna taste it on its own without the bread. So I'm gonna take some of the orzo, the garbanzo, chickpeas, and the soup. So, oh, you guys, this smells so good. I'm so excited. Wow. Whoa, okay, wow. I'm not even exaggerating, but this has so much flavor. Wow. Okay, hold on, another bite. Wow, that soup is so good. You have to check this out. It's so perfectly spiced, and the orzo is really nice touch to it with the chickpeas. And because I added the beef, I really think you can make a complete meal out of it, not just for 2 people too. Like, I have enough for maybe a couple of days at least. Wow, okay, all right, honest review, this is delicious. So I've only tried the spicy tomato and chickpea orzo soup. I will try the other ones, and if you follow me on my Instagrams, Life Tastefully Balanced, I'll do a Insta story on one of them so that you can follow the recipe there and see my honest review of it there. But so far, this spicy tomato and chickpea orzo soup, that is so good. It's just so flavorful. The fact that you also get oil is such a bonus. You really don't need anything but water. Honestly, I really didn't even need to add the beef because it tastes delicious without it. Again, please try this out. You guys will not regret it at all. This is delicious. And wow, I've never had, I think this is Libyan soup. So I've never had Libyan soup, and this is delicious. It's nice and spicy, and it just has so much flavor to it. I can't get over how much flavor this has. So please try it out. I'll leave all the information for Fatima's in my description box below. If you want me to make the other ones, please follow me on my Instagram. I'll probably do it there, and I'll update you what I think about the other ones as well. All right, guys, this was absolutely delicious. I am going to hurry up and finish this video up so I can go ahead and finish my bowl. If you guys love these reviews, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Oh, so good.